Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the Tulsi plant. It is also known as Queen of Herbs. Do you know it is not just a holy plant but it also has lots of special facts? Yes, like do you know it's a natural air purifier? Because Tulsi plant releases oxygen for long hours and absorbs harmful gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and helps purify indoor air. It also has a strong antimicrobial power as Tulsi leaves contain natural oils that fight bacteria, viruses and fungi. It also acts as a stress reliever. If you drink Tulsi leaf tea daily, it will help your body manage stress and anxiety naturally. Drinking Tulsi tea daily also strengthens immunity and improves respiratory health. Also, does your balcony have a lot of mosquitoes? Because if you keep a lot of Tulsis in your balconies, then it will repel all the mosquitoes. And do you know that it is used in more than 300 Ayurvedic medicines? This is because of its healing properties. It is also believed to bring positive energy as it reduces negativity and balances the environment. This Tulsi plant that you're seeing is Rama Tulsi. We earlier used to have Krishna Tulsi, but right now we only have Rama Tulsi. As you already know, winter is coming up, and during winter season, this plant's whole appearance changes. All the leaves shed off and the plant's growth starts to get stunted. And it is such an important plant, that's why it is important for us to take some special care of this plant before the winter season. That's why first of all my mom is removing all the seed pods in this plant, as seed pods actually take all the plant's nutrition. Next, she removed all the dead, died, damaged leaves and stems. And right now my mom is taking the soil for aeration. As till this winter season is very cold, it is very important to give some mulch in this plant, as mulch will help it stay warm. That's why my mom is using all the seed pods and dry leaves for this plant as a mulch. It will slowly compost and by the end of winter, it will act like a fertilizer. As soon as winter season comes, there's a lot of pollutants in the sky, which makes our leaves really dusty. And recently my mom noticed that this plant had been affected by some insect attack. That's why my mom is using a little detergent with some water and spraying it on the plant. You can also use bioenzyme if you wish. Neem oil also works well. Also make sure to shower this plant once or twice a week. It will help the plant get dust free and will help in better photosynthesis. Also make sure that this plant is placed in a sunny area and water it very little. No need for giving any fertilizer during this time. But if you insist, you can give some nitrogen based fertilizer. Tea leaf compost is the best for this plant. Like this, make sure you take care of your Tulsi plant and bring some positive energy in your home. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.